Hey there, it's Morgan from WTI. I love this nail polish so much. This is from Sally Hansen in the Insta-Dri collection, which I absolutely love. I'm very obsessed with it. It is so easy. It goes on in one swipe and it dries in just 60 seconds. I mean, come on. You definitely can't beat that. If you're looking for a quick and easy manicure, this is absolutely perfect. The brush is great. I love this color, Taupe Priority. It is such a great classic nude color that can go with anything, any outfit, any occasion. I've been wearing this a bunch right now and I love it. And I really like how it lasts and it wears really well. I just think this is such a great staple nail polish to have on hand. I like to bring it with me when I'm traveling, if I need a touch up. It's so easy. And I really love this color in particular a lot. I have a ton of colors in this Insta-Dri collection and I love them all. This is tried and true and I really, really love it. I definitely recommend this nail polish and that's my point of view.